Today we're going to learn what to say when leaving a conversation. When you leave a conversation, you use the G word. Not that G word. The letter G makes the G sound. Can you say it with me? G. The word goodbye starts with the letter G. Let's say it together. Goodbye. Goodbye is spelled G-O-O-D-B-Y-E. Goodbye. Great job. Excellent. You are learning how to leave a real conversation. Let's sing the goodbye song together.
Goodbye, goodbye, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, afternoon. Wave your hand and smile today. We had fun while we learned and played. Goodbye, goodbye, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, afternoon. Clap your hands and say bye-bye. See you next time, friends. Goodbye, 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 see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, afternoon. Wave your hand and turn around. See you next time, English Klasa Town.